Hi all, welcome to Competition Exam Cracker. In this video, we'll be covering ninth part of Barron's 800 words with easy to remember images series. So अगर आपको बाकी सारे videos देखने हैं in the same Barron's 800 word series, so kindly visit to the channel and वहाँ पे आपको playlist मिल जाएगा so that you can complete those words very easily. So let's move to the ninth part. So 161st word that we have is contend, which means to assert or to have a deal with a problem or a difficult situation. So contend word आपने काफी बार सुना होगा as a contender. वेर टू और मोर पीपल फाइट फॉर अ सेम कॉज, तो आप उससे इसको रिलेट कर सकते हो कि दे आर इन अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन बिकॉज दे आर फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट समवन. सो उस हिसाब से आप इस वर्ड को वेरी इजीली याद रख सकते हो. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज कंटेंशियस, विच मीन्स कॉरलसम और कॉजिंग कॉरल्स. सो इसमें एक वर्ड आता है टेंशियस. सो टेंशन होता है तो नॉर्मली पीपल यूज टू फाइट, तो आप इस तरीके से इसको याद रख सकते हो. वेर इन द वर्ड कंटेंशियस वहां पे कुछ टेंशन है एंड टेंशन लीड्स टू अ कॉरल सिचुएशन. सो इन दिस मैनर यू कैन रिमेंबर. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज कंटिग्यूअस, which means touching, neighboring or connecting without a break. And this is very easy word to remember because आप इसमें continue का कुछ portion बहुत आराम से ढूंढ पाओगे. So continue, contiguous is the same word. So through that you can remember. Otherwise you can also refer to this image. Moving to the next word. Next is continence, which means self-control or abstention from sexual activity. और यहाँ पे एक word है teen. अगर आप इस पे focus कर रहे हो, so you can get this word very easily. So if you are focusing on the word teen, then you can easily connect it with your teenage and how people react in their teenage and their sexual desires. So उस हिसाब से आप इसको याद रख सकते हो. And because you don't have any partner, so you are abstaining from that. So through that you can remember this word very easily. Moving to the next word. Next is contrite, which is very sorrowful for a wrong or seeking forgiveness. So आप इस वर्ड को इस इमेज के साथ कनेक्ट करके याद रख सकते हो, wherein there is a song हमको माफी दे दो, and also there is an image of Amitabh and Rekha together. If you know the story, so you can connect it very well. Moving to the next word. Next is contumacious, which means disobedient or rebellious. So you can connect it with rebel superstar Prabhas. Otherwise, if you want to remember it with the help of this word, so थोड़ा सा story बनाना पड़ेगा. You are asking it to someone who are pretending to be your mom. So you are saying in an angry manner कि तू मासी है. So you are saying कि तू मासी है. मासी means माँ जैसी. So you are connected with that story. Otherwise, you can remember it through the image of Prabhas. Moving to the next word. Next is conundrum, which means riddle, puzzle with no solution. So Rocky dead or alive, through that you can remember. Otherwise, you can remember it through the help of this word itself, जिसमें you can focus on nun and drum. So if you know, तो nun नाम का एक खाने का चीज होता है which is very small and उसमें drum. So how can nun contain a drum? So it is a puzzle. Nun के अंदर drum कैसे हो सकता है? So through that you can remember. Otherwise, Rocky is good enough to make you remember this word. Moving to the next word. Next is convention, which means practice widely observed in a group. So आपने एक word सुना होगा, very conventional approach. So they are pointing toward an approach which is very systematic and very old, which is practiced by many people. So यहाँ पे कुछ creativity नहीं आ रही. So in that context, you might have heard the word conventional. So that word is derived from this word convention, and that means the same. So आप उससे relate कर सकते हो. Moving to the next word. Next is converge, which means to approach, come together or tend to meet. And एक word होता है diverge, जिसमें चीजें बिखरती हैं. And then there is the opposite of it, which is converge, जिसमें चीजें मिलती हैं. So you can connect both this word and remember those together. Moving to the next word. Next is convex, and इसको मैंने concave में भी cover किया हुआ था. And if you are remembering concave very correctly, so convex is very easy to remember. And again I'm repeating, अगर आपको concave याद रखना है, so just focus on the word cave. Cave means गुफा. So गुफा is something like this. You can follow my mouse pointer. So वो अंदर की तरफ खुली होती है. So अगर ये structure है towards inward, तो वो cave है, और opposite is vex. So concave, convex, you can remember both together. Moving to the next word. Next is convivial, which means sociable. So you can remember it through the image, जहाँ पे people are partying. अदरवाइज आप इसके VVL और S पे फोकस करके याद रख सकते हो. इफ यू मे नो कि एक क्रिकेटर थे जिनका नाम VVS लक्ष्मण था. सो VV लक्ष्मण, सो S कहाँ गया? सो S फॉर सोशलेबल. सो थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन रिमेंबर. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. So next is convoluted, which means twisted or complicated. And you can refer to this image of road, which is very complex in structure. So आप इसको convoluted के साथ connect कर सकते हो. And also if you want to remember this word by breaking this word, so you can observe कि यहाँ पे voluted एक word है, and in this image also we are talking about the traffic and roads. So आप यहाँ पे अगर इसको polluted के साथ connect करोगे, so pollution in India is a big problem and we are not able to solve it because of the complicated transportation system. So आप अगर ये story याद रख पाओगे, so you can remember through that word itself. Otherwise आप ये image के साथ connect करके you can easily remember this word. Moving to the next word. Next is copious, which means abundant or plentiful. अगर आप इसको copy paste से याद रखना चाहोगे, so it is very easy because you are copying some text and pasting it multiple times. So वो abundant हो जाता है. अगर you are pasting it multiple times, so the same text is coming again and again, and that will be a plentiful situation for that particular text. So आप उसके साथ relate करके इसको याद रख सकते हो. Moving to the next word. Next is coquette, which means a woman who flirts. So either you can remember it through this image, otherwise you can imagine some women in your life who follows the same pattern. And if you want to remember this word with the help of this word itself, यहाँ पे अगर आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो ये क्यूट जैसा साउंड करता है. सो आपको जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ रिमेम्बरिंग ऐसे याद रखना है कि men are not cute enough, women are cute. So ये pertaining to women है, and then you can connect की related to flirt. So in that manner you can remember it. Moving to the next word. Next is cornucopia, which means a horn overflowing with fruits and grains or a state of abundance. So if you want to remember this word by breaking this word itself, so आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हो, wherein corn is a fruit and copy means the state of abundance. So fruit is overflowing because of this abundance. So you can remember it in this manner. Moving to the next word. Next is cosmology, and this is very highly used word, so I don't think you have any difficulty, which means study of the universe as a totality or a theory of origin and structure of the universe. So pertaining to universe, if you are remembering it, so you are good enough to go. Moving to the next word. Next is covert. So if you know, so there are two words, one is introvert and other is extrovert. So introvert are people who are not so open and extrovert are open and expressive. इन दोनों के साथ आप तीसरा word add कर लो, that is covert, wherein you are hiding something. So there are three kind of people. One is introvert, extrovert, and then covert. So अगर आप इन तीनों को relate करके याद रखोगे, so remembering this word becomes very easy. Moving to the next word. The next word that we have is covetous, which means desiring something owned by other. So you can remember it with the help of this image. Otherwise आप इसको break करके भी याद रख सकते हो. So if you focus on this word, तो यहाँ पे wet आता है. Wet means गीला. And इसको थोड़ा सा connect करना पड़ेगा with mouth. So आपके मुंह में पानी आ गया. So आपका मुंह गीला हो गया. Because you are desiring something which is owned by another person. So with that, you can remember this word very easily. Moving to the next. So the next word that we have is cousin, which means to mislead by trick or fraud. So you can easily connect this word with because, and because use hota hai to give reason, and cause you can understand in the same manner. So when people are trying to give you a lot of reason because they are hiding something or they are deceiving you, so in that manner you can connect with this word. So moving to the next word. So the next word that we have is craven, which is cowardly, and you can easily connect craven word with Ravan and also with this story जहाँ पे सीता का हरण हो रहा था. And रावण को आप इस तरीके से देखो कि he was coward because उनने सीता को फाइट करके नहीं लेके गए. He was coward enough कि जब राम बाहर थे तब वो सीता का हरण करके लेके गए. So with that story you can remember कि Craven, which is related to Ravan, and Ravan was coward because उनने राम के absence में सीता का हरण किया. Moving ahead. So with this we have completed 9th part of Baron's 800 words with easy to remember images. If you are enjoying this video, so please subscribe, share and like. And also Baron 800 words के सारे videos देखने के लिए you can kindly visit to the channel, and वहाँ पे playlist है. So you can watch entire playlist and be prepared for your exam. So with that note, stay tuned and keep learning.